If you need to organize your survey and make it easier for respondents to follow, adding section titles in SurveyMonkey is a simple but really effective trick. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add section titles in SurveyMonkey step by step so you can structure your survey more clearly and make it look more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey home screen, click on Survey so you can open the survey you want to edit. If you already have a draft or an existing survey, this is where you'll choose the one that needs section titles added. Now, inside your survey editor, go to the question where you want the section title to appear. This part matters because section titles are usually placed in a specific spot to separate parts of the survey and help create a cleaner flow. When you find the right area, click the Add button. After that, from the menu that appears, click on Text. This is the option that lets you insert a text block into your survey, which you can use as a section title. Think of this as the label or heading that tells people they're moving into a new section. Next, type your section title. For example, you can enter something like Section 1 or Section 2, depending on how you want to organize your survey. You can also use more descriptive titles if you want, like customer feedback, product experience, or final thoughts. The goal is to make the survey easier to understand at a glance. Once you've typed the title, select the text you just entered. Highlighting it is important because this is what allows you to format it properly so it stands out from the rest of the survey content. With the text selected, click on Bold and then save your changes. Making the text bold helps turn it into a clear section heading so respondents can immediately tell that a new part of the survey has started. After saving, your section title should now appear in the survey exactly where you placed it. If you want, you can repeat these same steps for any additional sections throughout your survey. That way, you can break up longer surveys into more manageable parts, improve readability, and create a better overall experience for participants. So just to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, navigate to the question area, click Add, choose text, type your section title, select the text, bold it, and save. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.